Hello, dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good, safe, and healthy at home. So, dear student, today we are here to discuss about chapter 4. Question answers. Chapter 4 name is maps. In the live class, we have discussed about the map. So, now first question is, what are the three components of a map? Here is the answer. The three components of map are distance, direction, and symbol. Okay. Question 2. What are the four cardinal directions? It means which are very well known to everyone. Cardinal directions. So the four cardinal directions are north, south, east, west. Okay. Next question is question number C. What do you mean by the term the scale of the map? इट मीन्स स्केल ऑफ मैप से क्या मीनिंग है, क्या समझते हैं आप स्केल ऑफ मैप से? द आंसर इज द स्केल ऑफ मैप इज द रेशियो बिटवीन द एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड द डिस्टेंस शोन ऑन मैप. There are two types of map based on scale. Large scale map to show the small areas or small scale map to show the large areas. Okay. So maps are really helpful and scale is exactly the distance between actual place and the measured place. Okay. Next is, how are maps more useful and a plan? How are maps are useful than a globe? Okay, the next question is कि maps जो है वो globe से ज़्यादा useful है? Yes, obvious. A map is representative or a drawing on a earth surface or a part of it drawn on the flat surface according to scale. It is impossible to flatten a round shape scale. Therefore, maps are more helpful than a globe. And one more thing, globe is not easy to carry in different places, but maps can easily carry to any place. Okay, so because of the reason, because of the given reason, maps are more useful than globe. The next is, distinguish between map and a plan. एक मैप और प्लान में क्या डिफरेंस है? यस, तो हियर इज द आंसर. अ मैप इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन और अ ड्राइंग ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस or a part of it drawn on the flat surface according to a scale, and a plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. Okay, next is maps given detailed information about a larger portion of the earth. It means it's describe the large portion of the earth, and a plan gives continued only confined information, only few information about the certain small areas. It means ये छोटे एरिया की कुछ small information शेयर करता है प्लान. Maps can present the more information than plan. Okay. Next is, which map provides detailed information? तो large scale maps gives detailed information. Okay, small scale maps shows only few information, but large scale map provides more information. Getting it? How do symbols help in reading map? Symbols कैसे help करते हैं map को read करने में? Symbols represent road, bridge, trees, railways, lines, etc. through certain letters, shades, colors, pictures, and lines. In this way, symbols are convenient means of reading a map. Okay, now question answers are done. Come to the correct answers. Yeah, here is map showing distribution of forest are thematic maps. Okay, we can show forest and rivers, other things on thematic maps. The blue color is used for showing water bodies. I am also having blue color for the easy to choose the correct option. A compass is used to show symbols to find the main direction, to measure the distance, to find the main direction. Okay, north, south, east, west, all the direction we can find with the help of compass. A scale is necessary for a map, for a sketch, or for a symbol. For a map, for a map, sketches, the scales are very important. Sketches are the rough things. Okay, and symbols are only the pictures. but scale is really important for map. So dear student, I hope you understand today's class. Okay, so do all the question answer in your fair notebook. God bless you. Stay blessed at home.